Hello Fanatics! With our review of Tag coming out, we decided to share a few films to watch if you liked it. Enjoy! Game Night is an action comedy directed by John Francis Daly and Jonathan Goldstein, starring Jason Bateman, Rachel McAdams, and Kyle Chandler. It follows the story of a group of friends who meet regularly for game nights and find themselves trying to solve a murder mystery. This film has similar comedy, characters, and themes. There are violent scenes throughout. Grown Ups is a comedy directed by Dennis Dugan, starring Adam Sandler, Salma Hayek, and Kevin James. It follows the story of 5 good friends and former teammates who reunite for a 4th of July holiday weekend after their high school football coach passes away. This film has similar comedy, characters, and themes. There are no unsuitable scenes. The Big Chill is a dramedy directed by Lawrence Kasdan, starring Tom Berenger, Glenn Close, and Jeff Goldblum. It follows the story of a group of 7 former college friends who gather for a weekend reunion after the funeral of one of their friends. This film has similar characters and themes. There is mild nudity. The World's End is a sci-fi comedy directed by Edgar Wright, starring Simon Pegg, Nick Frost, and Martin Freeman. It follows the story of 5 friends who reunite in an attempt to top their epic pub crawl from 20 years earlier. This film has similar characters and themes. There are no unsuitable scenes. The Hangover is a comedy directed by Todd Phillips, starring Zach Galifianakis, Bradley Cooper, and Ed Helms. It follows the story of 3 buddies who wake up from a bachelor party with no memory of the night before and no bachelor. This film has similar comedy, themes, and also stars Ed Helms. There's R-rated comedy throughout. Hopefully you liked some of these films just as much as you did Tag. If you have any films you'd like to recommend to us or the community, or you want to tell us what you thought of these films, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and you want to see more, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Check out our latest Film Fanatic review where we discuss the movie Tag. Don't forget to follow us on our social media. And until next time, Fanatics, keep it real.